Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. We have another oak on here. Part of this red oak we've been cutting up for this guy. I'm going to be honest with you, I haven't been out here in a week, guys. We've had temperatures like everybody else, hot. I'm not going to sit here and complain about it because it's not wintertime. I'm enjoying it. But I've never seen this in West Michigan since I've been here. But our thermometer actually hit, our electronic thermometer hit 100 degrees. I've never seen it that hot around here. I remember one day when I was a kid in '88, it hit 104. That's the warmest I ever remember. That's pretty warm. So I don't get out here and mill when it's like that. I got some other projects you saw done. But this is 17 inches on the small end. And we'll call it 18 inches on the big end. So it's going to be 84 board feet. The log's clean, so I'm not going to worry about hitting it with the drill motor. We have a stellite band that has like 4 logs on it, and I do like these stellite bands. I have the DIY carriage feed, up, down, back and forth. We have the water control that's electronic, and what else? We're using the Mikrons setworks SW350 Pro. That's going to give us perfect 2-inch boards, and that's what we're making out of this. We're giving that customer just a variety of lumber. So we have a stack of 1-inch boards, a stack of 1.5-inch boards, and now we're going to make. And we have some live edge, and now we're going to make some 2-inch boards for him. We have 2 rows going, so we got like eight boards, 10 inches wide. So we're going to do some true 2-inch. So let's see how this turns out. I see we have the crack-oriented well, that shack there. So we'll cut it, and probably come back and cut our boards from this direction. We'll see what that crack looks like. This is the butt end. I know a lot of you nip your butt ends off. I don't. Whatever it is, it is. You know, you get some frayed edges. It's probably better lumber if we would cut that off. That's probably something I probably should. You know, I've been trying to up my game, and maybe that's the next step, cutting these butt ends off. What do you do with your butts? You know, big chunk of firewood there. Yeah. All right. We also have a log turner on this mill. So-called stainless steel bunk caps I made out of a refrigerator door. They're not so stainless though, guys. Let me tell you that. This one leaves a little streaking on oak. All right. The mill's warmed up. 10 degrees stellite ripper. Let's go. I have 6 logs on the log deck still. And this one, that's 7 logs. I'm not going to take you for all of them. I'm going to try to get maybe 4 of these done today, maybe even more. We'll see what happens. All right, here we go. Inches. what a mess this log is. I do have the hump up. I had the other side up. I just didn't like how it was sitting, so I'm going to get the hump up, cut this flat, and then that will sit better. See how big it is. This definitely is going to play on the low end of board foot for this size log. It's between 15 and 16, which is 60 and 72 board feet. 64, 65 board feet. It's gonna play at 60, maybe even less than that. So let's get this, I'm gonna mill this one up, go in for lunch, and probably knock out a couple of pieces. that'll do it for today's video. We've got these 2 lifts filled up today. I think we had 1 row on the bottom, so we got quite a bit milled. We milled 5 logs. There's 2 left on the deck, and he has 3 more 17 footers over there, 17, 18 footers that I got to cut in half. And we'll make something else. I am going to make 1 more lift of 2-inch stock for him. We did get 1 screw up here. It's not a screw up. I did it on purpose. I dropped down 1/4 of an inch. I noticed the pith was going to come into 2 boards, and I didn't want that. I probably should have boxed around it, but I staggered it so all that pith is all in this 1 board. But the lumber turned out pretty nice, as I showed you. But I'm going to get these stacked up. These are done because it's too hard to lift on top of this, so I'm going to start a new lift of 2-inch. But we're going to go put these away. We got a nice stack of lumber back there behind us. I don't know if you can see all that right back there. And he's getting a nice pile of lumber. 1 inch, 1.5 inch, 2-inch live edge, and 1.5 inch live edge on top right back there, and all 2-inch here. So I'm gonna go get this mill cleaned up, get some logs staged for tomorrow. I want to have his logs done tomorrow, or at least in the next couple of days. It won't be tomorrow, but in the next couple of days, I want his logs done. It was a big job, and you know, an LT40, LT70. You guys are flying right through these things. Our homeowners mills won't have the HP like you guys do, but hey, it's knocking it out. Guys, that'll do it. I'm going to clean up the mill and get ready for tomorrow. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you out here at the mill next time.